तू चलता चल, तू चलता चल, तू चलता चल, तू बढ़ता.
A very common question asked is, how do I prepare for SSB? Let me answer this question. SSB is a holistic test of personality, and you do not prepare for SSB by undertaking any actions within a matter of few days or 1 or 2 weeks. You prepare for SSB by leading an effective life. In short, if you are a student and you have been a competent student, also you are reasonably physically fit, and your general awareness is also reasonably okay, then you will be found fit for selection for NDA or the technical entry schemes. Similarly, if you are a working professional, then if you are a competent worker and along with that you are also physically fit and your general awareness is fine, then you will get selected. So if these are facts, that means a person who is fit for selection need not even know the full form of SSB. And he just goes and presents himself in front of the Services Selection Board, and he will be explained what all is to be done, and the person will get selected. So in short, this is what it is. However, in case you need to prepare for SSB and you are aware that you have shortcomings, then you will have to work upon those. And that will include that, let us say you are going for a technical entry like Short Service Commission technical, TGC entry, NCC entry. See, thing is, we often have complete batches getting washed out in NCC entry, in SCC tech entries as well. Whereas in the case of NDA and CDS IMA, we never have batches getting written off. Often you would find that the selection percentage would be plus of 15% and it may go as high as 20%. Because overall selection rate is somewhere around 10-12%, and these two entries take the percentage up while the entries like NCC and SSC tech bring the percentage down. Now, what is the reason for batches not getting washed out in NDA and CDS IMA entries? The very simple reason is that the persons who come, they have cleared a basic academic exam and they have given the selectors concrete evidence of their capability of clearing this examination. And that is a very clear indicator, or not just an indicator, it is a fact that their basic academic ability is pretty okay. So it implies that whether you go for the NCC or SSC Tech or any other entry, your academic capability should be of the level that you are able to clear the NDA or the CDS IMA examination with good marks. If you can do that, then your selection chances would be fairly good. Otherwise, they will not be. The other two aspects of personality about general awareness and physical fitness, I told you. General awareness is applicable in most places in the corporate world as well. Physical fitness is something which is unique to the defense forces. So if you have these qualities, you are fit for selection. If you don't have these, you will not be fit for selection. So SSB preparation entails leading an effective life rather than doing some specific preparation. Thank you.